my shipment from Herbalife. Okay, so today, please help me unbox my all chica babes out there. Unbox my shipment from Herbalife. I'm gonna show you our products, the products that I purchased from Herbalife. Okay, help me unbox, guys, ha? So this one is our receipt inside. Okay, so here I purchased this one, Herbalife, a tea. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what is this Herbalife. So by the way, guys, disclaimer taha, this Herbalife products is not intended to cure or diagnose, to cure, to treat, or any, or prevent any kind of disease. Disclaimer lang. Okay, so now this Herbalife concentrate, I purchased this one. Actually, three, three bottle. Three bottle. I purchased this one. See? So why I purchased 3 bottle? Because actually this tea, by the way, before I proceed, I would like to inform you that we started using Herbalife since 2018. It was on April. No, it was a coincidence. It is not by any kuan nga maingon mi nga, uy, ka na, magamit ani nga product. No. It is just by God's grace that this product it was introduced to us. So shout out to Jensen Marie Byong and also Ramar Byong, the classmate of my husband. Although this is not a paid product or kanang ni-advertise as a product, but this is just to show you or to share with you our journey, my journey, and especially the journey of my husband. Since we started using this product, we really naka-observe me ba that there is a result, and especially that my husband he lose mga 14 kg for almost 3 months. So by the way, sa amo ang gigamit na product dara ay ang kuan di ay. And then by the way, this kanang product first, this is the step by step that we use the product. First, early in the morning sa dili pa ka mo inom og tubig, of course you have to drink this aloe. Herbal aloe concentrate. Mao ni siya ang mo cleanse sa imong mga gi-previous sa mga gipangkaon, sa imong mga kanang gikaon pagkagabi nga dili kayo siya mo detoxify, no? And then kung dili kay nako na nasulti ang tanan, you can do a research also. And this one also daghan sa di siya matama ka daghan mo malipong ka or kanang mura gusto ka mo vomit or nagkuan ka makatabang sa ni siya. Basta daghan kaayo ni siya og benefits kani siya nga kanang aloe tea o aloe concentrate. Okay? So I will not do it one by one kung unsa gyud, but this is good. And then this is the first one, and the second one that you have to drink is tea. Yeah, hot tea in the morning if you want. Tulo ang gi-purchase. This is original flavor, by the way, naani siya lain nga mga flavor na kuan. Sealed gid siya. Lain siya nga mga flavor. So nakabutang dire kay this delicious low calorie tea. Low calorie siya, mixed blend green tea and orange peco with cardamom, seed, lemon flavor, and hibiscus for an uplifting taste. So this is good for 60 serving. Naman po ni siya katong 51 grams. This is 102 grams. So this Herbalife tea, no, I will read it to you nga makaborn din ni siya og fats, guys. Nga kanang ang fats nimo nga maborn will convert into energy. Then maborn ang fats nimo even if without exercising. Wow. No, wow kaayo. Then it will enhance your metabolism. And of course, since kanang kuan sad siya dili ka magluya ba, maka-boost sa imong energy level. And then it will improve your blood circulation. Daghan ni siya dangati. Then detoxify your body. Ka-detoxify din ni siya. Then prevent sad ni siya to increase your blood sugar level. And then it will helps also to increase your pH balance sa ato ang lawas, di ba? And then ang benefits na makuha nimo sa green tea kay it will give also glow sa imuha nga skin sad, no, of course, no. Then great for cardiovascular and digestive health, may giingon mo ay gi ko anila. And then of course, since it is high in antioxidant, anti-cancer sad siya, di ba? And fats burner, improve blood circulation, detox your cells, and increase your energy level. And then I will reveal it to you that this one, di ay akong basahon ha, nga ang Herbalife human nutrition expert spent 4 years just to discover this, to research this one, to develop this one. So the Herbalife tea has helped many people in burning fats, lose weight, and improving health, no. So imagine 4 years na ang nagkuan ani, ang nag-research ani, and there's none of this that kanang nag-research ani nga 4 years only Herbalife nga human expert anin nila. Wa ko kabaw kung si kinsa, but I salute to that guys that he, what is this, he discovered this nutritional tea. See? Okay. And then ako sang i-show din ninyo, no, nga ang kanisad din ako ang na-purchase kanin siyang fiber and herb. Kaning fiber and herb kana siya, this is not really pricey. 180 tablets ni siya. Kaning fiber and herb. So maka-kuan jud ka ani, maka-save ka. And then of course, ang giingon pa sa kuan akong basahon ha, insya alam mo ba na pagsapat na ang fiber sa katawan mo ay mabilis nang lumiit ang tiyan mo. Ang tiyan, para din siya sa mga daggoon og tiyan. Kung gusto ka mo gamay ang imong tiyan. Okay? At maayos ang iyong pagdumi araw-araw. Makatulong din siya guys. And then, dahil hindi sila palagulay, kung ikaw dili kay ka makaano gulay, kanang mga meat ka, makatabang po din siya. At nahirapan sila maghanap ng gulay lagi sa kanilang mga meal, kay gusto nila kanang mga hotdog, chorizo, whatever it is. They added Herbalife fiber and herb sa programa na ito. Yun ang Herbalife, nag-added siya. So, ang tawag namin dito sa Herbalife, ito ay pangpaliit ng tiyan tablet or cleansing tablet. So, ang isang botelya o isang bottle is good for 1 month. Nakapamura ka pa, no, good for one month. If malaki ang tiyan mo, kailangan mo ng maraming fiber at water para malabas ang dumi at lumiit ang tiyan mo. Diba? So, ang maganda dito is pati bowel movement mo maaayos. Wow! Maaayos dahil ang bowel movement. So, the benefits of this one, fiber and herb, it is antioxidant, cleansing, and good for people with arthritis, diabetes, and hypertension. Oh, guys, who are kana mga diabetes, hypertension, or diabetic, or anay arthritis, makamaayo ni siya. And then, prevention siya sa UTI. Prevention na take note. And then, helps regulate menstruation sa mga babae. O is sad siya for dysmenorrhea. And good for people with constipation problem. Kanang hirap ka magdumi. Maayo po dahil ni siya. And prevention, guys, take note. Prevention siya para sa colon cancer. Then, digestive enzymes, detoxifier. And design ni siya to assist with the removal of the waste of our body. Sa dili pa ka mo kaon, so pwede ni siya nimo kanon or imnon duha sa usa ka adlaw in between na aman diri wait ha. So na diri fiber and herb tablets contain a herbal blend that includes papaya, parsley, fennel seed, peppermint, and chamomile. Then 2 tablets with each meal or 3 times a day accompanied with a large glass of water. Kinahanglan jud nga daghan po kag water intake pod kay para makatabang, no, because water is life. And then the good thing of this one, Herbalife fiber and herb tablets, it is this wonder detox and colon cleanser. Okay, so I will read it to you. Fiber and herb tablets combine the benefits of oat fiber with a herbal blend that includes apple cider vinegar, papaya, parsley, and peppermint to encourage the feeling of fullness and promote healthy digestions. No, it is each tablet provides 277 milligrams of dietary fiber from oat, fiber, peppermint, parsley, herb, papaya, fruit hibiscus, fennel seed, and eucalyptus, and chamomile flower. Sorry for that. Okay, this one. And I purchased also multivitamins and minerals. This is not really pricey. Yes. And of course, mineral herbal complex. Yeah. This one also helps to prevent UTI. Then maintains the pH level sa imuhang lawas. Mao sa di kong giinom kay ako naman ko'y kidney stone. Usa sa din siya sa nakatabang. Daghanon lang gyud nimo ang water. Okay? And then this Herbalife naman. And of course, this is our what is this? This is for the shake, no? Our meal replacement. Mo na ni siyang gitawag og meal replacement. Kauban ni siya, di ba? As what I have mentioned, ini ka buntag mo ni mong imnon kani dayon kani ni kahuman kani dayon. So you can use this as your smoothie na with ice lang, 2 scoop of this one, and then in one kaning canister. Take note ha, ang kaning sa Herbalife na nakita ninyo nga wala ni siya katong can, kuan gid ni siya kanang ing ani ba itawag ani canister, nga dili siya katong tin can nga nakita ninyo sa mga mga nakakita ko nga kuan. And then this is 22 servings, good for 1 person or 2 person. Ikaw na kamo na ang kuan kung saon ninyo. Then it will mix with any fruits or any vegetable bisag unsa ang imong i-mix with, walay problem. It's up to you on how you are going to make your smoothie. But there is also some of the kuan ani niya instruction on how you are going to use. And take note guys, the ingredients is here. It is stated mga ingredients and also the nutritional facts dili makita, no? So it's up to you to check it. So I purchased it. Actually this one, the smoothie na ni siya mga lain-lain nga variation, many flavor. Then this time I purchased 2 vanilla flavor and then cookies and cream. Ako na palit. And then the surprise na ako'y libre. Kaya nga naman nakapalit man ko tulo ka tea. Dara. So naa siya libre para sa akong water sad nga masukod nato, di ba? Nice kaayo. Napaka-libreng carton, napaka-libre ani. So if you want to purchase Herbalife, just let me know. So although this video, it's not sponsored or whatever, kaya ang Herbalife diligid na sila mo sponsor. It's like kaugaling nila na kuan guys. Okay, then with Herbalife you will be fit and will be good like me. See? Thank you for watching Herbalife.